What's up, YouTube? Been a long time. Had a mad school year. Want to just work on that, but I got a little unboxing. It's already been unboxed, but you might know what these are. I'm probably gonna put it in the title anyway. But what we got here is a little blessing from Nike. This most of the stuff blurred out, but as you can see, copped for the retail. Focus. Yep, there you go. Little story about them. So what happened was these dropped crazy randomly. Like, if you knew, I don't know how you got that info, but you knew. But basically, these kind of just dropped on Sneakers app out of nowhere. What happened? My friends got some, and I went on the release like 10 minutes after, and it sold out. It was weird. It dropped at like 1:27 on like a random Wednesday. It wasn't on upcoming. It wasn't on the feed. It just dropped. But the day after, I got a notification from Sneakers saying, "Hey, we got you," essentially. And then I freaked out, but then after I freaked out, it was like, is life even real? Like, did Nike really just bless me with a pair of them? And then, lo and behold, I got them. I got these like May 31st, so like 5-6 days ago. It's like June 6th now. But anyway, you got the little nice window view box. Let's take it out of this box. We don't need that. Peep the Nike tape or whatever. Get this nice and centered. So, it was kind of like this is like attached, but it kind of ripped halfway, so I was like, let me just open it the whole way. Boom. Shout out UNC, shout out Jordan Brand, shout out Off-White, shout out Nike. So, what you get is you get your little clear view top, you take that off. Then you get this little divider. That's nice. We'll take that out, put that back later. Then you get this little wrapping paper that has the whole like, it says like there. You can tell right up there, you get the whole like font, same font that's down there on the shoe on the medial side. Let's go take one out. Let's take the one out with the zip tie. So, crazy details. You guys probably have seen a bunch of reviews on like the Europe exclusive and the one the OG Chicago pair, but I mean, I'm not really a huge Off-White fan, but Virgil, you killed these. You gotta give respect when respect's due, He did more than just like add a bunch of, quotation marks and stuff. He actually deconstructed the shoes, which is really dope. Kind of like a Mason Margiela vibe with the way he did his design ethos, the way like he cut everything up. It's really dope. Just seeing different materials, just changing it up. The whole collection was just a mad thing. Wow, I took so many L's on those, but you get the little zip tie on the left pair, and this side you get the swoosh, you get like some nice suede, some of that dope Nike like new translucent, not transparent material they got, which is super dope. Love the qualities, it's actually, I think, the same or a little bit on the, like a little bit less of a quality compared to the remastered Jordans. Like, the leather ain't bad, but it's definitely nothing too special. What else you got? Let's go put these down, get the other pair out, because why not? Then on the medial side you get the whole Off-White for Nike, you get the whole Nike headquarters address, the date of Nike's founding. I really like the way they did the tongues, putting the Nike sign on the out. Let's take these out. This angle is like terrible. I actually got my size. Thank God, that was amazing. So I get to keep these or sell them. On the fence about that. These are made in China. There's a tag somewhere. There we go. Let me get that out. Made in China. Wish we could do it in America, America thing, but it's cool. Let's get this aesthetic going. Kind of how I see Virgil will put it out. And we got some shoelaces. We got orange and blue. if I'm gonna keep these, which I may, I'm just waiting for my job to start. But if I really am in need some for cash, cause end of season sales, you know me, I'm trying to go big thing. You'll see my pickups when I cop them. If I'm needing the cash, these will have to go. But I really want to keep these. You know, I have a lot of, like, you know, to be humble, but I would say I got a pretty nice collection of shoes for someone with my economic situation at my age. But I really wanted like a pair of heaters, something where I'm like, you got these though? Like, you got these? So, you know, like Common Projects have a cool, nice little collection of some cool Nike runners, some nice Vans and Converse and whatnot. But you know, I really want a pair of heaters. A lot of people have like the Yeezys and stuff, but Yeezys aren't really my style anymore. But classic Air Jordan 1 never go out of style. But then these, just like a whole nother level to the Air Jordan 1. So hopefully I keep these in my collections. And you know, hype beasts, I'm gonna wear my shoes. So if I keep these, I'm definitely gonna wear them. I'm gonna write on the midsole, I'll say something like "eat your heart out," or you know, something like Chief, because Instagram Chief_Paulo, whatnot. Let's throw these down there, don't want to hold them. But anyway, prices have gone down ever since they released, but they will go up. So if you guys didn't get a pair for retail, you know, I suggest you buy a pair now. You can get a size like 9.5 for like 800, maybe 900. So I suggest that if you really want these shoes, get them now, because the price is only going to go up. I don't think Nike's going to re-release this color anytime soon, and I haven't seen any news about them doing another Off-White Jordan 1 colorway. I know the price is coming out, but that's a different model. So scoop these up now while you can. This is crazy shoe. If I keep these, I'm definitely going to put a YouTube video out. Maybe put some fits. These are actually kind of a more difficult shoe to wear compared to the Chicagos and the Yo's, but these are super dope. And this is Paul signing off. Peace. Enjoy your summer, guys. Live up. Live your life out.